Are you curious about ways to naturally boost your testosterone levels? Today, we'll explore some proven methods to help increase testosterone in your body. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical exercise, especially strength training, has been shown to have a positive impact on testosterone levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. Balanced nutrition. A diet rich in vitamins, minerals, proteins, and healthy fats can support healthy testosterone production. Quality sleep. Getting sufficient sleep is crucial for maintaining healthy hormone levels, including testosterone. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively affect hormone levels. Engaging in stress-relieving activities like yoga, meditation, or pursuing hobbies can help keep stress at bay. Get some sunshine. Exposing your skin to sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D, which is linked to testosterone production. Aim for 10 to 30 minutes of sunlight exposure daily. While these lifestyle factors can contribute to healthy testosterone levels, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes. Remember, maintaining overall health and well-being should always be a priority.